Have you ever looked at a natural wonder so breathtaking that it felt like stepping into a real-life postcard? Then, you should take a journey to the Ngorongoro Crater. One of Africa's most remarkable wildlife destinations. This breathtaking natural wonder is located in northern Tanzania and offers an unforgettable experience. This stunning location is called the Eden of Africa. The Ngorongoro Crater is one of the largest inactive volcanic calderas in the world. But what makes it so special? From incredible wildlife to stunning landscapes, see what Ngorongoro offers. The Ngorongoro Crater measures about 20 kilometers in diameter. This massive natural bowl is home to around 30,000 animals. You might be wondering, why is it called a caldera? A caldera forms when a volcano erupts and collapses in on itself. Ngorongoro is a volcano that collapsed on itself as it was being formed. Had this not happened, it could have been taller than Mount Kilimanjaro. Isn't that fascinating? UNESCO World Heritage Site. Different habitats exist within the crater. You'll find grasslands, forests, and swamps all in one area. This variety attracts a range of wildlife, making it a prime spot for safari lovers. The crater is famed for its population of black rhinos. These magnificent creatures are not easy to find in the wild, but here they roam the plains, and you could spot one during your visit. Another animal you shouldn't miss is the African elephant. The elephants here are known for their large tusks. You'll likely encounter lions basking in the sun. The crater has one of the highest densities of lions in the world. But wildlife isn't the only attraction. The crater also offers spectacular landscapes. Drive along the rim for panoramic views. Early morning, you can catch a sunrise that paints the sky with beautiful colors. The clouds often blanket the land, making it feel like a scene from a movie. Now, let's move on to the Ngorongoro Conservation Area. This is the native place of Maasai people, known for their vibrant clothing and unique customs. You can visit a Maasai village to learn about their way of life. Participating in traditional dances can be a highlight of your trip. You can see park rangers working hard to ensure that future generations, too, can enjoy the beauty of Ngorongoro. Want to make your visit even more special? Consider a guided tour. Local guides know the best spots for wildlife viewing and also share fascinating stories of the land. Their knowledge enhances the experience, helping you appreciate the magic of Ngorongoro. While Ngorongoro is beautiful year-round, the dry season from June to October is particularly popular. During this time, animals congregate near water sources, making wildlife spotting easier. Every season offers a different perspective on this incredible place. No matter when you visit, you're sure to create unforgettable memories. To sum it all up, the Ngorongoro Crater is truly a gem of nature. Stunning views, incredible wildlife, rich culture and history, there's something for everyone. How to reach Ngorongoro Crater. The closest major airport is Kilimanjaro International Airport, about 190 kilometers from the crater. From Kilimanjaro International Airport, you can hire a car or arrange for a private transfer. The drive to Ngorongoro typically takes about 4 or 5 hours. There is also the option of flying into Arusha Airport, which is closer, and taking charter flights to airstrips near the crater. What are the hotel options to stay? There are several fantastic lodges and hotels around Ngorongoro Crater, offering a range of experiences. Ngorongoro Serena Safari Lodge, Ngorongoro Crater Lodge, and Olduvai Camp are some of the popular hotels. And if you still have time, you should consider visiting Serengeti National Park. Serengeti is just a 2 hours drive from Ngorongoro and is famous for the magnificent Great Migration. If you found this tour of the Ngorongoro Crater fascinating, please give this video a thumbs up. Do share this video with your travel buddies, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.